Hello everyone, whether you are in Haiti, Chile, Japan, or in Canada. Yes, in Canada, Ottawa, Canada. Because today I am speaking directly to the Canadian Prime Minister, Mr. Justin Trudeau. So what are you going to do for Haiti? Justin, need price. The U.S. Department spokesman said yesterday the United States will provide $5 million to strengthen the Haitian National Police. Haiti Prime Minister Claude Joseph is asking for your support to build their own capacity, build the Haitian National Police, to rebuild the army and build Haiti Special Force. This is very important for Haiti, Mr. Trudeau. Haiti also needs Canada's support to investigate the assassination of Jovenel Moise, who was gunned down yesterday in his home by foreign mercenary paid by the enemies of the president. Sources are telling us allies of the opposition in Haiti are involved in the assassination of Haiti President Jovenel Moise. Mr. Trudeau, do you know who owned the house that occupy the mercenaries? Do you know the name of that person? It is clear that the terrorist attack on Pèlerin 6 yesterday was planned and was organized at a very high level. The assassination operation was given the green light at the highest of levels. The commando unit which killed Jovenel Moise was not from Haiti, but a foreign operation. They announced they were DEA. We all know now there was sort of a scenario. So the assassin disarmed Jovenel Moise, private USGPN guards. Reportedly, the group spoke privately to Jovenel Moise. Apparently, whatever they asked him, he refused. He was executed. Il a été exécuté. Torturé, exécuté. 12 balles. Poum, poum, poum. Poum, 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 poum. Poum, 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 poum. Does that remind you of a few things, guys? If you forgot, talk to Denis Coderre. He knows something about that. Now, who did it and why? Based on what I am being told, your guys should start to investigate the following enemies of Jovenel Moise in those sectors: banks, gas, electricity, armed trafficking, drug trafficking, and of course, the mining sector. Why the mining sector? Why? You guys should know better than me. How many billions of dollars Canada invests in Haiti in that sector alone? A few weeks ago, the Honorable Marc Garneau, Minister of Foreign Affairs, and the Honorable Karina Gould. Hi, Karina. Karina Gould, the Minister of International Development, announced that Canada is providing an additional 7 million humanitarian funding to the World Food Program, the Ethiopia Humanitarian Fund, the United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs, and the International Committees of the Red Cross to support humanitarian cooperation in Ethiopia. How much money do we have now for Haiti, Justin?
Comme ça,